Hi, welcome back to another exciting SQL tutorial on our channel. Today, we will learn what subqueries are, how to use them effectively, and we will explore some practical examples to solidify our understanding. So, let's get started. In simple terms, subqueries are SQL queries embedded within another query. They allow us to use the results of one query as a condition or data source for another query. The subquery is enclosed within parentheses and usually placed in the where, from, or having clauses. Let's walk through a couple of practical examples to illustrate how subqueries work. So, for the first query, we want to retrieve employees who have a salary higher than the average salary. So we use database called HRDB. I'll add the link in the description for you to download it and follow me along. Now, let's break this query down. First of all, let's find the average salary. To do that, we'll say select, then the average aggregate function of the salary column from employees table. So when we execute this query, we'll get the average salary. So this is the average salary from the employees table. Now, let's write a query to retrieve all employees from the employees table. To do that, we'll say select all from employees. Now, when we select this query and execute it, we'll get all the employees in the employees table. Now, we want to filter these employees and retrieve only employees whose salary is greater than the average salary. So we use this average query as a condition for this query. The query will be select from employees where the salary is greater than the average. So we put the average query in parentheses. Let's indent it so that it will look nice. Close the parentheses. Now you see that we have a select query inside another select query. So this is what we call a subquery. So this query is a subquery of the outer query. Now let's execute this query. And that is it. These are the employees who earn more than the average salary. So let's go to the second example. Now in the second example, we want to find customers who have placed more than one order in our database. To do that, we are using the database called store. I'll add that to the description. So we'll start by selecting all customers. So select all from customers. Now we want to filter those customers who have orders more than one. And so we use another select statement to give us those customers. So in the where clause, we say where the customer ID, and then we open parentheses for the subquery. And in the subquery, we want a query that will give us the customers who have orders more than one. So select the customer ID from the orders table, then group by customer ID, those having a count of that greater than 1. Here in the where clause, I'm using the in operator to check if the customer ID of a customer is in the result set of this subquery. And this query returns customer IDs of those customers who have the count of their orders greater than 1. Now, I've done a video where I talked about how to use the in operator and the group by clause. You can check them out. The link is in the description below. Now, let's execute this query. And these are the customers who have placed orders more than once in our database. So, with these examples, you've now gotten a good understanding of SQL subqueries and how to use them effectively in your queries. And remember to practice and experiment with subqueries to gain confidence and expertise. For that reason, I have an exercise for you. In the HR database, write a query to select employees whose salary is above the average in their office. When you are done, you can compare your solution with mine in the text file in the description. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more exciting tutorials. See you in the next video.